Hey Dennis, I scored that founder's internship and also successfully bargained for a data analyst intern position, even though I'm doing the same work. Even though I'm doing the same work, should have I bargained for a data science internship? Well, first of all, congratulations. Wonderful. So for those of you that are joining us for the first time, 6 feet, feel free to correct me here, but this is an internship he applied for where he's going to be working directly with the CEO and CTO. So congratulations, my friend. Really happy to hear that you landed that. Hopefully some of the items in the chat help, but really glad for you. Congratulations. Should have I bargained for a data science internship? Okay, so two things, right? You might have missed my opening note because I know you said you were waiting on YouTube, so sorry about that. But in the opening note, I talked about how most data science teams are still small, right? So no matter where you go, you're still going to be expected to do different roles. So don't be discouraged just because, oh, well, I'm just going to be a data analyst. I'm not going to be doing. No, the reality is that they're probably going to need your help still on some modeling or some visualizations or some other aspects of data science. Most teams are small enough where they can't afford to say, oh, well, we can't ask him to do that because he's a data analyst. Let's leave him alone. You're going to be asked to do other things. Some of those other things may not always be pleasant, but you're going to be asked to do other things. That's just the nature of the size of teams nowadays. So don't worry about it. Don't worry that, oh, I'm not going to be able to do any data science work because that's not what my title is. You'll probably be used on other things. That's just the nature of the business right now. And the second thing I'll tell you is that bargaining during these types of times, it's a delicate game, right? I think it's great that you went for the data analyst position, but you want to make sure you don't go a step too far, right? It is possible to go a step too far when it comes to these types of arrangements and these discussions and all that, right? So I think you did pretty well. The internship value is in being there and in seeing how things work in the real world and having that on your resume. So you don't want to go a step too far and maybe, come off as being a little bit greedy or kind of leaving a bad taste in people's mouth. Because at the end of the day, you have to work with them, right? You have to complete the internship. You've only landed it at this point. You still got to go in there and prove yourself and do a good job, right? Hopefully, you're going to do that. You're going to shine in there, and then you're going to be relying on them to give you a reference for your next job, right? So you want to make sure you don't go a step too far in your demands, right? So I commend you for getting it. I think you're in a good position. I think you're still going to be able to do data science roles or more of that dedicated items. But now it's up to you to go in there and do the best you can, do a good job. By the way, this week I did release some shorts on how to have a good internship.